Hello, this is Serge with SEWPRO. Welcome to my YouTube, SEWPRO USA. And today I'm going to show you this machine again with intent to show you how to thread the machine and put a needle in, because it's so different from your traditional sewing machine. This is SEWPRO 2156 feed off the arm, top and bottom feed zigzag. And I want to show you how to thread the machine, because this is number one problem. If you don't have a machine threaded properly, you'll have problems. So you put the spool on the stand, come through here, and the next step would be going through the guide here, and this guide usually in and out again. Next step would be the guide and go through the tension discs. You just pull through over the spring, take up spring like this, and going through the take up lever, and this guide here, another guide. And I'm gonna stop here and take a needle out and show you the proper way of putting needle in. So you loosen needle, maybe just a half a turn, get the needle out. So this is very important part. The needle, as you can see, you have this flat spot here above the threading hole. Well, this threading hole is very important. You put this towards you. It's totally opposite of a regular machine, because your hook picks up, needle goes down and the hook picks up thread on this side. So on this flat part, it always where the hook picks up, and then the hook right here. So what you do, you have a groove, it goes towards the back, and this flat part goes towards you, facing you. I usually like to have like pliers, but needle nose pliers. You take the needle, push all the way in, and have hole facing you, pretty much like parallel to the machine. And when you just hold it with the needle nose pliers, you position it where you want, push it all the way up and tighten it. So that's how you put the needle in. Very, very important, because if you put it wrong, not only you're gonna not be able to sew, you'll be heating with the hook point, you'll destroy hook point eventually. So from this point, there's a thread guide beside the needle, so you put through there, this little hole. And it's a little hard to do. It's why I'm gonna use tweezers here. So, and now the last point, you put it through the needle from the back to the front. That's why you don't have much room there. So you go through this threading and make sure it's straight from here towards the back. So that's how you put the needle. Then next step, I'm gonna go over the bobbin case. Take a thread, bobbin with a thread, drop it in, and you go, and that's it. This is, and there's a little wire, helps. And I usually make sure your thread doesn't get under the lever. I leave maybe 2 inches or so tail, and you put it from here, and it lines up. You'll hear click, it placing it. And next step, I just turn machine in sewing direction and get the other thread out. And we're going to just make a test around here on something we already sewn. And always operate with covers. And put the cover back on. We'll turn the machine on. Always turn the machine off when you're threading for safety purpose. And this machine set up with automatic air foot lift and air reverse, automatic air reverse for the purpose of making the koozies. So I'm just gonna run the machine. So as soon as I start, it'll go automatic back tack, and then it'll do it at the end when I heel the pedal when I get to the end part. As you can see, it's automatically did back tack. And here I would get to the end and I just simply heel the pedal fully, and it back tacked here and sewed through. That's what this machine set up for, and it does it beautifully.